How to delete a business profile on Google Maps. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily delete or remove any business profile from Google Maps. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new updates. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and open any web browser and search for Google Maps right here. So as you can see, I've already opened Google Maps right here. Now all you have to do is go on the search bar and search for the business that you want to close or permanently delete. And once you find this, what you can do is just scroll down until you see this suggest and edit, or you can just simply click right here and you will see this suggest and edit button. So just click on suggest and edit. Now you can either change your name or other details, or you can close or remove it. So just choose the second option. Now you will have to choose a reason for your suggest edit. I'm just going to choose temporarily closed for now. And once you do that, click on submit. And once you submit it, it will take some time for your appeal to get to the Google's support team. And if they review it and verify your edit, then it will be permanently closed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.